Hey guys, so this is an update for the Android FRP bypass method that I had made for the LG Stylo 2 Plus running Android 6.0.1. What happened was LG rolled out a security patch on August 1st, 2016 that blocked that method. So what we're going to do in this video is downgrade the Google Account Manager. For those of you that left comments saying that you wouldn't get the user and password screen, you would just see an error at the end of the last video, so this should take care of that for you. Okay guys, so I've just got the device factory reset. I actually went through and already connected to my Wi-Fi network before I started this video, so go ahead and say next and click skip. And this is basically just going to show you that the phone is FRP locked, just to kind of speed up the process here. And this phone is on the new Android 6.0.1 August 1st, 2016 security patch. So this phone right now should have that problem that you guys were having with the Google Account Manager not showing, the user and password. It will just show the error message. Okay, so here it wants my Google account info. Go ahead and go all the way back to the main screen. Go to accessibility. Click on yes. Click on Vision, go to Talkback, scroll down and you're going to go to text-to-speech output. Click the little gear up here next to Google Text-to-Speech Engine. Go to Settings for Google Text-to-Speech, go to Feedback, click on Terms of Service, and this is going to open up Chrome for us. It's going to pop up and ask you to accept and continue. I kind of already went through all of this before the video just to make sure it would work again. Okay, up here in the address bar you're going to go to my website, which is frp.f0il.com. So go ahead and go there and you're going to go to step 1. Now you're going to uncheck this box that says use as default app. Press and hold on the Gmail app, that way it opens up the app info. Go to permissions, or notifications, I'm sorry. Go to app settings, click the menu button, and you're going to go to manage accounts. Click continue. I hit the little button up here and I do list view, just to make it easier to see. So what you're going to do is scroll down and go to fingerprints and security. And you're going to see that the unknown sources is grayed out like in the last video. Can't do anything there. So turn off verify apps, go to phone administrators, and we're going to turn this off, deactivate. Alright, so that's off. Go ahead and go back, and we're going to go up and go to apps, click the menu button, show system, and we're going to scroll down to the setup wizards. I've had a few of you guys in the comments tell me that you only have one setup wizard, and I feel like you're probably not using the same phone that I am. I think some of you guys said that you're using like the G4, the G5, or the Transpire. Once I get those phones, in my possession, I'll try to work on those for you. But for right now, you can just try it with the one setup wizard that you have. I'm not sure if it'll work or not, I'm sorry. So we're going to go to the blue setup wizard, force stop. Click OK, go to storage, clear data, OK, go back, and we're going to go back to the green setup wizard, force stop, OK, storage, clear cache, go back, and we are going to go up to the Google Play Services right here. So now we can force stop and disable this. Alright, so now the Google Play Services is disabled. So we're going to go back. Go ahead and go back, and once you get back to Chrome, you're going to be right here back at my website. Click on step 2, and when you do that, it's going to ask to download a file. So we're going to update permissions. Click on allow, And then from here at the bottom, it's going to ask if we want to save the shortcut.apk file. Click OK. Alright, that's downloaded. Don't bother clicking open, it's going to throw some errors at you. Now, for later on, we're going to download the Google Account Manager. This is the file that we're going to use to downgrade it later on. Go ahead and click OK. Alright, now that that's saved, go ahead and go back all the way back to the home screen. And once we're here, we're going to click Next. I don't have a SIM card in here, so skip. Alright, so now scroll to the bottom of the Wi-Fi networks and click Add Wi-Fi Network. Type in just a bunch of random letters and numbers. Press and hold on what you typed in, and you're going to click on Share. Press and hold on Gmail. Go to Notifications, App Settings. Click the menu button and Manage Accounts. Go ahead and click Continue. Now if you scroll down to Fingerprints and Security, you'll see that Unknown Sources is enabled, or well, we can enable it. Go ahead and turn that on and click Allow. Okay, so now we can sideload our own APK files. So we're going to go all the way back to the main screen. Alright, go to Accessibility again. Yes. Vision. Talkback. Just like before, we're going to go through the same menus here. Text to speech, little gear, settings. Whoops, I forgot to turn the Google Play services back on, I'm sorry. So go all the way back. Next. Skip. Go back to Add a Wi-Fi network. Share. Press and hold on Gmail. Notifications. App settings. Menu button. Manage accounts. Continue. So we want to re-enable the Google Play services here. Otherwise the feedback option disappears. So enable. Go back. All the way. Accessibility, vision, talkback, text to speech, little gear, settings, feedback, terms of service. Go back to my website. Step 1. Uncheck the box, press and hold on Gmail, notifications, app settings, menu button, manage accounts, continue. Alright, so now we're going to go down to Google Services, go to Search and Now, go to Now Cards, turn on Show Cards. I'll say no thanks on this. Now up here we can get to where we can access the downloaded files that we have. Type in Downloads. Well, if you start to type it, it should pop up down there. Go to Downloads, and now you're going to have these two files. Go ahead and install the shortcut.apk. Uncheck the little box to use as default app. Click Package Installer. Say OK. Install. Alright, now I'm going to show you guys, if you click Open, this is the problem that you guys are having right here, which you should be familiar with if you're watching this. Under Google Account Manager, right here, you see Error. That should have username and password. So if you click that, whoops, if you click on that and click Try, you get this couldn't sign in, problem communicating with Google servers. So now we're going to downgrade the Google Account Manager. Go ahead and go back, and we're going to go back to Apps. And what you're going to do is scroll down to the, actually, hit the menu button, show system, scroll down, and the Google Services Framework, no, Google Account Manager, sorry. We're going to force stop, say OK, and disable, say yes. Now go back, and we're going to go back to Google Services, search in Now Cards, go ahead and turn on Show Cards, no thank you. Start to type downloads, open that up, and you're going to open up this gam2.apk. Go ahead and click Package Installer. Now we are going to click Install. Okay, so done. Back. Go ahead and click on Show Cards again. Say no thanks. Now type Q. Whoops. When you got the letter Q, you should see Quick Shortcut Maker. Go ahead and open that up again. Now if you go down to Google Account Manager, you will see type email and password right there. Click on that, try, and there you go. From here you will click the menu button, browser sign in, click OK, and there you go. Go ahead and sign in with your account from there, and go all the way back to the home screen, sign in like regular, and you should now be successfully into the phone with bypassing the FRP. Alright, thank you guys.